Welcome back to another video where we will be learning English in the most natural way possible through the point of view of a native English speaker. Right now, we are in the city of Santa Monica in Southern California, and we are at the beach. You can see this is a beach right over here in front of me. You can see the sand, the ocean over there, but we are not here to hang out on the beach today. Instead, we are going to a very specific place that you can see right in front of me. Over there is the Santa Monica Pier, which is basically the most famous place to go to in Santa Monica. The Santa Monica Pier is an iconic site here in Southern California. So follow me as we make our way over there and as I show you guys around the Santa Monica Pier. As we're walking over, I immediately notice all of the houses next to the beach here are very interesting. You can see this one has like a yellow staircase right here. Also some other ones with really interesting architectural styles. This house right here is one of the most famous houses in Santa Monica. A lot of people come here to take pictures of this house. It's painted purple and pink, and it's called the Barbie house, inspired by the famous children's toy. And also they made a movie about Barbie as well. So that one's very famous. And then next to it, you can see this house that's kind of sort of dark in color. Overall, all of the houses here are incredibly expensive. We were looking into this just a little bit ago, and we found out that that Barbie house over there that I was just talking about costs about $38,000 a month to live there. These houses are all really expensive, mainly because they are right next to the Santa Monica Pier. The view from over here is really incredible. You can see that the sun is shining really bright right now. It's a little bit later in the day, so if we stay here a little bit longer, we should be able to see the sunset. The sand looks really beautiful. You can also see the whole city over here. Honestly, just a really incredible view from right here. All right, and you can see we are now officially at the Santa Monica Pier. If you don't know what a pier is basically like a huge walkway like this that essentially stretches over a beach. So part of this pier basically is built over the ocean. This entire pier was originally created in the year 1909, and originally it was actually created to basically hide different sewage systems as they dumped sewage into the water. But over time, it was eventually created into an entertainment area, which is what it is today. You can find stores here, you can find restaurants here, and you can even find an entire amusement park here. This restaurant right here is very cool because if you've ever seen the movie Forrest Gump, this is the company that the main character, Forrest, creates. And they basically created this entire restaurant because of the movie. It looks like there's also a gift shop inside too to buy different merchandise. You can see this sign right here says Santa Monica 66, end of the trail. And there's a very important story behind this. The reason why this sign is here is because the most famous highway in the United States, which is called Route 66, officially ends here on the Santa Monica Pier. It starts in the city of Chicago in the state of Illinois, and it ends here. So you can see there are tons of people who are waiting in line to take a picture in front of this famous sign. If you've ever seen the famous children's movie Cars before, then you've seen Route 66. The entire movie is based on this famous highway. As you can see, the entire pier stretches out into the ocean. So when you come to the Santa Monica Pier, you can also get a really nice view of the ocean. You can see tons of people are hanging out on the beach right now. There's also people in the water. that are swimming or boogie boarding or doing all sorts of different things. I imagine it'd be pretty cold in that water right now. So everybody out there is pretty brave because it feels pretty cold right now outside. So I imagine the water is really cold as well. You can see that people also like to come to this pier to perform. So over here we have like 2 young kids that are dancing and singing here. So people come here to kind of show off whatever skills they have. There's also different challenges that you can do on the Santa Monica Pier. So for example, this one is called Hang Time. And basically what you do is you pay $10 to compete in this challenge. Basically what you have to do in this challenge is you have to hang from one of those bars right there for as long as you can. And depending on how long you last, the better the prize you will get. So it looks like somebody just finished and he was able to get a little prize for competing in that. One thing that's really cool about the Santa Monica Pier is that it's very colorful. You can see all of the different buildings are all sorts of different bright colors. You can see this building right here is purple. You have some turquoise over there. This building over there is yellow. It's just all sorts of different colors that come together to look very, very unique and very cool. As you can see, the Santa Monica Pier is one of the most popular places in Southern California. You can see just how crowded this pier is right now. As I'm walking around, there are people pretty much everywhere all around me. At certain times, it's even difficult to walk around here because there's people on all sides of you. Now, probably the craziest thing about the Santa Monica Pier is that there is even an entire amusement park on this pier. You can see this is the sign for the amusement park right here. It's called Pacific Park. So let's go ahead and enter and see what this amusement park has to offer. As you can see on either side of me, there are different places to eat, all sorts of different sweet foods. We have an ice cream store right here. You have a place where you can buy churros right here. What's most surprising about this place is you have these giant rides that you can ride on here at the Santa Monica Pier. This is probably the most famous ride here at the Santa Monica Pier. This is the famous Ferris wheel. And these Ferris wheels, I've always thought looked very, very scary because I am not somebody who really likes heights. I'm a little bit scared of heights, and these go up really high. You can also see another ride coming by here. A bunch of people just rode by on these little carts right here. And that looks very fun as well. But this Ferris wheel is very famous because it's basically the tallest thing here at the pier. So from a distance, you can see the Ferris wheel before anything else. One fun fact about this Ferris wheel is that it is solar powered. So that basically means that it is powered by the sun. This Ferris wheel is actually the first solar powered Ferris wheel in the entire world. Here's another challenge that you could compete in here on the Santa Monica Pier to win some prizes. This looks like some kind of basketball challenge where you try to basically shoot basketball shots, and the more goals you get, the better the prize you will receive. So you can see on the side here some of the prizes that you can win if you do well in this game. This is where you can purchase tickets for all of the rides here on the pier. And as you can see by the sign over here, there's a ton of rides that you can go on. It looks like there's about maybe 8 or 9 rides just from what I'm seeing right here. You will note though that they are all pretty expensive. It looks like the cheapest ride that you can go on is $8 just for one ride. And the most expensive ride is $17 just for one ride. It's very cool to stand right here on this walkway because the track of one of these rides goes right above this area. So we're about to see the people on the ride coming down right above us. It's a little bit scary, but very cool as well. Here's another example of one of the rides that you can go on. I have been on a ride very similar to this before at a different amusement park, and these are very scary because when you're up at the top like that, as these people are right now, it feels like you are going to fall right off the ride. So you can probably hear a lot of screaming right now because everybody is very, very scared as they're on this ride. The lines for these rides are also pretty long. You can see all of these people are waiting in line to go on this one ride. And I don't even think that ride is the most popular ride here. So it takes a while if you want to go on one of these rides. I think I might try to play this game right here in front of me, which is basically a basketball game. So we're going to see if I can win a prize at this game. So as you can see, unfortunately, I did not get a single shot. It's a lot harder than it looks. You can see that Allison is really excited to be here. She likes to watch all of the people walking by. Very exciting for her. All right, we're going to enter this photo booth now to take some photos of me, my wife, and Allison. So let's go ahead and walk in real quick. So you can see this is the little console where we basically are going to take our pictures. I'm going to take my glasses off in a little bit because I don't want to have my glasses on during the photos. But you can do all sorts of different effects. You can see Allison is very excited right now. But you could do all sorts of different effects down here. Like we can add mustaches to ourselves. Although apparently only Allison has a mustache. Oh, there we go. You have a mustache too. We can add beards to ourselves. Or it looks like it only went to you. So overall, it looks like the effects don't work super well. But that's the stuff you can do. After you've taken your photos, you can choose a style to design your photos right here. So look at the outside. Looks like this. And then if I click this one, it looks different. It's a little bit more colorful. And then there's all sorts of different options here. Which one do you like the most?
I like maybe this one. I feel like it's like
Yeah, this one's kind of classic.
yeah.
I like this one too. So let's do that one. Looks like you can add different. Oh, you can do a bunch of different effects
cool.
here. Different.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, this one you got little animals and stuff.
Very fun guy.
So there's a bunch of them you can do. But maybe let's just do the one on a pier right here. So we'll click next.
Purchase this mini movie or print more copies.
And then we'll just hit no thanks. I don't really know what that's asking us.
Share your photos.
We won't do that. And then now it's going to print out our photos that we can bring with us. So these are our photos. It comes with 3 of them so that you can kind of break them into 3 different pieces right here. It's kind of funny because I realized only later that only the last photo am I looking at the camera. The rest of them, I'm not really looking at the camera because the entire time I was trying to get Allison to look at the camera. So I wasn't even looking at the camera myself. You can see that there's a bunch of stuff that's been set up over here in celebration of the FIFA World Cup that is happening right now, or at least I believe it's happening right now. I'm not really a huge soccer fan, but you can see they've put a lot of effort into setting all this stuff up. So it looks like they have these different areas with goalies that are basically guarding these different goal spots where people are basically trying to kick the soccer balls into the goal. I'm not really sure exactly how this works, but I imagine it's like some of the other games where you pay to enter, and if you do well, you can win a prize. The Santa Monica Pier is so famous and so well known that there's a lot of movies that have been filmed here at the Santa Monica Pier, or at least have some scenes that have been filmed here. So some examples would be the Barbie movie that came out kind of recently and was very, very popular. Another older movie is Forrest Gump, which has a scene here. And again, we mentioned earlier that there's even a whole restaurant here that has been created in honor of the Forrest Gump film. And then another movie that I can think of would be The Iron Man movie has also had scenes here at the Santa Monica Pier. Here's another little thing that they set up in honor of the FIFA World Cup. So you can see a bunch of the flags of different teams that are playing in the World Cup. And then also you have a big soccer ball right here. You can see that the sun is kind of starting to set now. It's about to kind of hide behind those mountains over there. So honestly, to me, this is the nicest time to come to the Santa Monica Pier or just to come to the beach in general, because everything just looks so much more beautiful when the sun is setting. We are now officially leaving the Santa Monica Pier. It is getting pretty dark outside. You can see the sun has now set behind the mountains, so it's getting pretty cold. One thing that I purchased right before we left was this drink right here. This is called an EG. EG's is a restaurant that I have been to many times before, but I have only been to EG's in the state of Arizona multiple times that I have visited there. And EG's is a restaurant that only exists in Arizona, or at least it only existed in Arizona until the first EG's opened up here on the Santa Monica Pier pretty recently. I remember hearing the news about this and being very excited. Well, EG's signature item is this drink right here. This one is strawberry flavored and it's very delicious, but I do notice that it looks a little bit different than the EG's that I am used to in Arizona. The EG's in Arizona are much darker if you get the strawberry flavor, and it looks more like the color of an actual strawberry. You can see the EG comes with a straw, but it also comes with a spoon as well. That's because this drink is pretty thick. So you can drink it with the straw, but sometimes you want to use the spoon as well if it's getting difficult to drink with the straw. You can see even when it gets dark like this, there's lots of people hanging out on the beach right now. So this whole beach, and especially the pier, are very, very popular. Again, this is one of the most iconic places here in Southern California. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video learning English with me here in Santa Monica. For more videos like this one, where you can improve your English listening abilities, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.